Hi there! In this video, you'll learn some colors in Danish. Blå, grøn, grå, gul, brun, hvid, rød, orange, sort. The colors I've just listed are as follows. Blå, blue. Himlen er blå, grøn, green. Græsset er grønt, grå, grey. Min skjorte er grå, gul, yellow. Solen er gul, brun, brown. Mit hår er brunt, hvid, white. Sneen er hvid, rød, red. Bladet er rødt, orange, orange. En appelsin er orange. Sort, black. Min hat er sort. Notice that some of the adjectives I've mentioned had a T added to them. That's because Danish adjectives have to match the gender of their noun. I'll go into more detail regarding that in another video. For now, remember, nouns which end in et, like græsset, bladet, will have a T added to their adjective. And nouns ending in en, such as himlen, solen, etc., won't. If you want some variation, you can say that something is light or dark. The words for that are lyse and mørke. You add them to the front of the color, like you take blå and you add lyse to it. You get lyse blå, light blue. Alternatively, you take mørke and you add mørke to blå and you get mørkeblå, and this means dark blue. You can make all sorts of colors like that. Lyserød, lysegrøn, mørkerød, mørkegrøn. Mine favoritfarver er hvid, lyseblå, grå, lilla og beige. Hvilke farver er dine favoritter? Let me know in the comments what your favorite color is in Danish. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time!